The Marvelous Machine. Exploring the human body. The human body, a magnificent creation, is a complex and awe-inspiring machine. Number 1. The body's blueprint. At the core of our existence lies a blueprint encoded in our DNA, orchestrating the trillions of cells that form our bodies. Number 2. The skeletal fortress. Our skeletal system, composed of 206 bones, provides structure, support, and protection for vital organs. Number 3. The muscular symphony muscles, more than 600 of them, work in harmony to enable movement from the blink of an eye to a sprint. Number 4. The nervous command center. The nervous system, like a command center, orchestrates every thought, action, and heartbeat. Number 5. The circulatory highway. The circulatory system, with the heart as its engine, pumps blood through a vast network of vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients. Number 6. The respiratory exchange. Our respiratory system, like bellows, allows us to breathe, exchanging life-sustaining oxygen for carbon dioxide. Number 7. The digestive factory. The digestive system processes food, extracting nutrients while eliminating waste, fueling our bodies. Number 8. The immune guardians. The immune system defends against invaders, protecting us from illness and disease. Number 9. The senses. Unveiled. Our senses, sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch, connect us to the world, enriching our experiences. Number 10. The journey continues. As we continue to unlock the mysteries of the human body, we uncover the secrets of life itself. Number 11. Conclusion. The human body, a masterpiece of nature, is a testament to the wonders of biology and the power of evolution. As we marvel at this incredible machine and its intricate design, we celebrate the beauty and resilience of the human body.